have water bottle in your reading room. Really, sir? Water bottle will have such an impact? Yes. You should keep sipping water little bit every now and then. You know what happens? In the cell membrane, outside and inside, the pH balance has to be maintained. The pH balance has to be maintained. To maintain that, you have to keep supplying the water. The water levels inside and outside, if they are not optimum, appropriate, the pH levels will not be same. In our body, all processes are biochemical processes. They are all pH specific. At that particular pH, those processes will happen. So, the water content outside and inside the cell membrane is very important. It has to be perfectly balanced. For this, keep sipping, wetting your lips for every 15-20 minutes. That's enough. When you are thirsty, drink water, that is different. But you keep wetting lips, so you keep a water bottle by your side. Just sip little water once in 15 minutes, 20 minutes like that. This is the reason why I asked you to keep a water bottle by your side. In fact, you carry it to your school, college also.